What's up? If you're watching this and it was successful, I got 3 cameras in today. Much success. If you're not watching this, I didn't post it and I didn't make it happen. So let's make it happen today. Here's how you install the Lorex camera, part 2. Let's go. Back up, cousin girl. I think I see it. I think I see it. Let's go take a look. Gotta be it. Alright. This is how far as you guys are gonna go. That's a decent angle. Yeah, I think that's a decent angle. Alright. Alright, this is how this works. All right, we got the other end of our fish wire right here. Hopefully you can see me. I'll talk you through it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna electrical tape this to the other end of the fishing wire, and I'm gonna pull it out. So you'll see. All right, let's see if I can show you guys what I did. So this is the wire right here that I have taped up that's attached to the pole. So I'm gonna now go down to the other end and pull out. time to finish up. Now, I'm not sure about the angle on how this is gonna be, but I'll do my best. So for this installation, I'm going straight into the soffit. What I use for my camera out front were these toggle pieces. Where are they at? So you actually want to push this into the soffit and then screw it, and that's going to actually hold the camera up there. So you do have to drill some holes. Again, that shouldn't be too hard. All right. So all I'm gonna do, if you look at the bottom of the Lorex camera, is I'm gonna take it this way. I'm gonna take this top spinning part off and stick it through. Okay, so stick that through and just spin it right back on. All right, forget these gloves. Okay, and as I said, this is going to actually go through the soffit like this, and it's going to pop open, and the camera's going to be locked into place just like that. So I'm going to do that for all three here. When they're all done, they should look just like that. And this is how they're going to pop into place. Guys, a view of what that looks like. All right, we're looking at a live view from the app of camera 3. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is fix my angle right now. What you wanna do, obviously, is figure out the angle you want before you put the camera up. But I'm just getting stuff done. I kind of had an idea of how I wanted it. So good about that. I'll always change this later. Let's see what we got. Not too bad. Not too bad. You know what, guys? It's cold. I just want to get this bad boy up and call it a day. I will change and fix this angle later, but that's actually not too bad. All right. Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you got some value out of that. Hey, if you're not subscribed, why not? Subscribe to the channel. I got more tech videos coming. This is part 2 of a multi-part series. Part 3 is going to be next, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get into the software Lorex, how to set your motion sensors, how to set all the different settings on there, all the IP addresses, how to connect it to your cell phone. That part 3 is coming soon. As you can see, I finally got my cameras up. So I'm excited about that. Hope this guys helped you out. Like I said, it's a 3-step process, really. Drill your hole, put your fish wire in there, go in your attic, attach the tape to your fish wire, and pull it back out. That's really all you got to do. It's that simple. Obviously, you got to know about what you're drilling into, whether you got soffit, whether you got metal soffit, whether you got vinyl soffit, whether you got wood. You do got to know a few things. So me and my buddy Sean, he helped me out so much, man. The first time we put our first camera in, it took us a full 8-hour day. The next camera I did took me like probably half the day. You know, now I'm on my, 3rd and 4th camera. That camera that I showed you guys in the video literally took me like 10 or 15 minutes. So when you got the right tools, you learn what to do. Now that you've seen my mistakes and watched my videos, you'll be able to install one camera in literally 15 minutes. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Until then, peace.